All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're out here in West Henderson. We're about to check out these brand new townhomes built by D.R. Horton. They actually just opened about a month ago. They've got 2 models that they're selling out of here. Very reasonably priced. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out inside so you can see what it's like. All right, so again, we're out here in Amigo Trails. We're out here in West Henderson. This community only offers 2 floor plans right here. One is the 1417 model, one is the 13 floor plan. And the cool thing is they both have 2-car garages, which some townhomes will only have a 1-car garage. And again, we're right outside of Inspirada, so we don't have to worry about that master plan fee that Inspirada charges. And the HOA over here is gonna be $179. Now it's not gated, but you are going to have a pool as part of the amenities. You've got a nice little grassy area right here, and the nearest highway right next to this community is going to be the I-15. So we're right on the southern side, so you're going to shoot up north to get you to the strip, connect to the 215 either west towards Summerlin, 215 east, and you can make your way towards Henderson or towards the airport. So again, these guys are starting in the mid 300,000s, and let's go ahead and check out the 1319 model and see what we're working with here. Okay, so pretty good open floor plan right here. I like the breakfast counter right there, so you can put 2 or 3 stools right here. Your main dining area is going to be right on this corner. And you can see this is going to be the main living area, which you can definitely fit a good size sectional. You could have the love seat sofa combo right there. They've got it modeled with the TV hung up on that wall right there. All right, so the nice thing about D.R. Horton that I like is it's practically move-in ready, and they pretty much include everything that you see here in the models, meaning what you see is what you get. Meaning you're gonna get the fridge, all the appliances, the microwave, the stove, you're gonna get a dishwasher, washer and dryer, and most importantly, window coverings. I feel like these are some of the things that new buyers tend to forget to budget for after buying a house, because they've already saved up so much money in getting the down payment, the closing costs, that they forget that they still have to fill up the house. So that is the nice thing about purchasing a house with D.R. Horton. Again, everything is pretty much move-in ready for you guys to just kind of buy the house, bring all your stuff inside, get settled in, and enjoy your house. So let's talk about this kitchen real quick and what's included and what are some of the things to point out. So over here, you're gonna have your pantry right here, which is a really good sized pantry. Actually, they've kind of maximized the space underneath the stairs. And again, I've already mentioned you're gonna have all the appliances included, which includes the fridge, your microwave, you've got an electric stove right here, you've got a dishwasher. But check out the finishes that's already gonna be included. You're gonna have this nice quartz countertop right here. You've got the single faucet Moen sink right there. And then of course, they've got the 32-inch cabinets, which the shaker style, very modern, very sleek, with the hardware right here. All of this is already gonna be included with your purchase, which really makes it easy when building a new house, because other builders, sometimes it does get a little overwhelming when you have to choose all the little options yourself. So D.R. Horton's definitely made it very easy for you, and I think they've done a really good job at least providing really good finishes for you. All right, so let me give you a view right here from the main dining area. Obviously, it's not gonna be a very large dining area. Again, it's not a big square footage floor plan. Again, it's 1319, 3 beds, 2.5 bath. The other good thing about D.R. Horton in their more newer floor plans is now they include the luxury vinyl planks, which wasn't an option before. So let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. We've got 3 beds, 2.5 bath. Sorry, the half bath was downstairs. So we're gonna have 2 full bath upstairs. So again, you can see right here, there's a nice little landing right here. That way you don't feel so tight with all the bedrooms all clustered together. The primary bedroom is gonna be on our right side, and the secondary bedrooms are gonna be on the left side right here. So let's go and check out the secondary bedrooms first, which are gonna be a standard size. It's gonna be a 10 by 10 on the secondary bedrooms right here. You've got the sliding closet doors. You've got one LED puck there for each room. So the secondary rooms actually sit on the back side of the house towards the garage or above the garage. And then before we go into the other secondary room, this is gonna be the laundry area. So you're gonna have your washer and dryer. Again, that's all included, which is really nice. You're gonna have your full bath over here. So they got you the tub shower combo right there. It's gonna be a single sink, but still has some counter space right there. As I mentioned, it is gonna include the quartz countertop. And then here's the secondary bedroom. Pretty nice. And then right across the way is our primary bedroom. So the primary bed is gonna have its own full bath. Again, single sink, but a pretty good size counter space right there. You got the walk-in shower right there. Got the matching vinyl planks from downstairs. You've got two windows right here letting in a lot of natural light. So a really good size for your primary bed. And you're gonna have your walk-in closet right here. There's a light. And just like all the other builders, they are also having the smart panel box, which houses your modem, your router, and all your Cat 6 cables. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this 1319 model. If it's big enough for you, if you need a little bit more space. If you're looking for a loft, we're gonna walk into the 1417 floor plan in a second here and give you a quick look of what that looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and step inside this 1417 floor plan by D.R. Horton and give you a good comparison of what this looks like compared to the 1319. So pretty similar on the downstairs living area. I kind of like the feel of this one actually with the little separation right here. The dining area already feels a lot bigger than the previous one. And of course, we've got this nice island right here. Has 3 stools. Give you an idea of how comfortably spaced out you guys would be sitting there. And they've got the white shaker cabinets as well. A lot of cabinets. Here's the pantry. The only thing that I'm not sure if I'm a fan of is they only do an electric stove versus a gas stove. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about that, which one you guys prefer. Give you a view from this angle. So that door in the center, that's gonna be the door to the garage. This is gonna be the door to a half bath, and then you've got a little Harry Potter closet right there. Let's go ahead and check out the upstairs. So the nice thing about this floor plan compared to the other one is you're gonna have this nice little loft right here. So you can see where the additional square footage is gonna be compared to the other one, which is 1319, so 100 square foot larger. The primary bedroom is gonna be there, so let's save that one for last. And this is your laundry area right here. Again, washer and dryer is gonna be included. Here's your first full bath. Same deal with the single sink. Here's the first secondary bedroom. And then the second secondary bedroom. And in case you want to know, we've got 8-foot ceilings up here. Also 8-foot ceilings downstairs as well. We've got carpet all throughout this second floor right here. Got the attic access right there, which you'll probably never have to access. And this is a really good size loft right here. So it could be a good size for just additional living space, obviously, maybe a game room. They actually have it as a little seating area right here. Here is the primary bedroom. Got your walk-in shower right there. So again, pretty similar. Now we've got the walk-in closet, which is a lot larger compared to the previous one. They've got the smart panel box right there. So yeah, definitely a little bit larger than the previous floor plan that we went to. The only thing is there's no actual enclosure to the walk-in closet with this one. And I don't know, this is kind of weird right here. What do you guys think about that? So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this floor plan so far. So the one thing I really like about DR Horton, again, like I mentioned, is how simple they make it to purchase one of these houses. Again, these houses are ready to go for you. All the finishes are picked out. You're gonna get all the appliances, the window coverings, and they're just waiting for you as a buyer to choose a lot and make that purchase. Now, the one thing you wanna remember is to make sure you bring a realtor with you during your first visit. Otherwise, they may not allow you to be represented by one. Now, if you want more information on how to purchase a new construction home here in Las Vegas, I'll have all the information about this community down below, as well as my information. So definitely don't hesitate to reach out. You can give me a call, text, email, whatever's convenient for you. I look forward to connecting with you guys. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one.